this, or this. Hello, crochet friends. Do you recognize this one? It's actually a do-over. I did it the first time a month or two ago with pink in the center, a two-tone, and white on the sides, and I did not like it at all. I put it out anyway because all the work that goes into this. But I said in the video that I was going to try to do it again. So here we are. I did it again. Still not crazy about it, but I think it's an improvement. What do you think? On the original one, it had the open sides. This one did too originally, but I went ahead and put in a couple, literally 2 or 3 little stitches to close it up just a little tiny bit to put my arms through, and then that way it's not flopping around and like falling off, and it's just so much more comfortable this way. So, thoughts? Let me know. Comment below if you think this is okay. Right after I said it will not fall off, it kind of fell off. But that's just because I made it extra wide here in the shoulders. You can take it in, close it up a little bit if you need to. But let me know in the comments, is this an improvement at all? I'm not entirely sure. I do like it better, absolutely. Also, this is a number 3 baby yarn from Bernat. I will put all the details below. Please remember, and I remind you all the time, below the video you have to open it up and it will show you more detail. So aside from this being a different yarn, this is a number 3. The original one was number 2, and because it's a number 3, a tiny bit thicker yarn, it did end up being a bit larger, just a little bit. It turned out longer, which I think people like longer better anyway, so. But the pattern is exactly the same. So if you want to make this, the first video, go ahead and use that one because everything is exactly the same. The only thing I did different was that, 2, 3 little stitches right here with the yarn needle and yarn. Other than that, the yarn is different, but the pattern exactly the same. So if you want the written pattern, head over to crazycoolcrochet.us.etsy.com. I really don't like being in front of the camera like this. So, tell me what you think. The original, number 2 yarn, open sides, completely open. Now on this one you can see the lacy pattern a bit better, especially under something like white like I have on. And with the blue one, it's more, the stitches don't show up as well. So I'm thinking, and no, I'm not going to do this again, but I really think that a solid, all one color, not variegated, maybe an ombre would work. but I think that would look even nicer because you could see the stitches better. But this just goes to show that the yarn you choose makes all the difference in the world. I have had people actually comment, well, I don't like that one because I don't like the color. Okay? You know, you can make my patterns in a different color. Any pattern. Anyway, that's just, like I said, goes to show. The yarn you choose makes a difference. Okay, so thanks for watching. Again, if you want to make either version, use the same video tutorial that I made originally. I will leave a link up on top. I don't know where they're going to put it, but up on top. Also, I will leave the link in the comments below. That way it's nice and easy and fast for you to click on. The link for the pattern, I will also leave behind the scenes where you click open. Okay, that's it, just a quickie. FYI, I'm filming this during the holidays, so that's why, you know, there's no sense making a whole new tutorial for a do-over, right? And let me know what you think of the idea of a do-over. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. I hope. Come back. Oh, you can find all my videos if you click down below where it says Crazy Cool Crochet. Click on that. It opens up the home page. At the top, you'll click on video, and that opens up all the videos. So take a peek. You might find something you like better. I hope. Okay, that's enough. Bye.